Gold prices hitting a 6-week high this Tuesday. Joining us today to talk about it is Todd Bubba Horwitz of BubbaTrading.com. Happy New Year. Welcome back. Good to see you.
Happy New Year to you, Danielle. It's great to be back on with you.
So reports this Tuesday say demand for physical gold from China is increasing ahead of the Chinese Lunar New Year later on this month. So the technical chart postures for gold and silver are also turning more bullish. How do you see gold start thus far, Bubba?
You know, I think that gold looks fairly good here. I think we had a nice rounding bottom off of the lows. I do think, though, we're probably going to run into a little bit of resistance, probably around 1,200. I mean, there's an outside chance I think this move could actually go as high as 1,250 or 1,300. But I still believe there's one more big pullback to the bottom. But I'm like almost certain that the 5-year bear market is just about over.
How much of a pullback do you think?
I think there's an outside chance we could see 1050. So, you know, like 8%, 9% from here. But it looks like it can happen. But again, I wouldn't be surprised. You know, that's why I tell if you're investing in gold, which is what I think everybody should have some piece of gold, you could buy a little bit now and average yourself in if we do get the pullback. Otherwise, you can continue to buy it.
Right. Well, on that note, gold miners also off to the races here. So if I asked you to pick between the stocks or physical gold right now, how are you positioning yourself?
You know, I'm a big physical guy. I think that physical is a better place to be, especially if you're investing. I love holding the hard asset in my hand. However, I think the gold miners have done extremely well. GDXJ, the junior, and GDX have done extremely well over the last few weeks as well. So I think either one, I think GDXJ is actually looking for a chance and could break out and go back into the 40s here before it's all said and done.
So the marketplace is also awaiting President-elect Donald Trump's first press conference since his election on Wednesday. Are you bracing for any surprise market reactions here?
No, I don't think so. You know, one thing about Trump is he puts everything in Twitter ahead of time. So there isn't any real surprise with him. Everybody kind of knows where he stands. I think the bigger surprise might come out of the hearings that are going on right now.
Yeah, good point. Bubba, thanks so much for your thoughts today. Thanks for joining us.
Daniela, thank you so much. Have a great day.
And thanks for watching Kitco's Gold Report. We'll be back tomorrow.